Today, I'll show you how to add social media links in Constant Contact. If you're looking to enhance your email campaigns by including links to your social media profiles, you're in the right place. This simple guide will help you seamlessly integrate your social media presence into your Constant Contact emails, making it easier for your audience to connect with you on various platforms. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to constantcontact.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already a member, you might want to consider signing up, as Constant Contact offers a range of tools to help you manage your email marketing campaigns effectively. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all your email campaigns are stored. Here, you can create new campaigns or edit existing ones, which is what we'll focus on right now. Once you're in the campaign section, select the campaign you'd like to edit. Simply hover over the campaign name, and you should see an option to edit appear. Click on that to open the campaign editor. Now that you're in the editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Content. This section contains all the building blocks you can use to design your email. Scroll through until you find the text element. This is what we'll be using to add your social media links. Next, drag the text element into the body of your email. You can place it wherever you think it would be most effective, perhaps near the bottom or in a designated section for social media links. Once you've dragged the text block into place, click into it to start typing. Add a call to action message inviting your readers to connect with you on your social media platforms. With your text in place, you'll now want to turn it into an actual link. Look at the top of the text editing toolbar and you'll see an icon labeled link. Click on this to open the link options. From the link options, you'll need to click on web page. This setting allows you to input any URL you'd like, which in this case will be your social media link. Now, it's time to enter the URL of your social media profile. Whether it's your Facebook page, Twitter handle, LinkedIn profile, or any other platform, just copy the full URL from your browser's address bar and paste it into the URL field. Finally, after you've entered your social media link, click Insert to apply the link to your text. You'll know it's been successfully added when the text appears underlined and in a different color, indicating it's now a clickable link. And there you have it. You've successfully added social media links to your Constant Contact email campaign. By following these steps, you can enhance your email marketing efforts, making it easier for your audience to engage with you across multiple platforms. Be sure to save and preview your changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Happy emailing!